What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I know it's been a long time. Sorry, grad school started, had a long semester, very busy, so kind of took up all my time. But hey, semester's over, so now I kind of got more time to, make more content, make more videos. So hey, forgive me, sorry. But today I actually have a pretty interesting video for you guys. Today I'll be doing a self-cut. So I'll be cutting my own hair. As you can see, it's been a minute since I got a haircut. Show you the back. Pretty ridiculous. So I want to say it's been about a month or maybe two since I got a haircut, but it's actually been almost about 3 or 4 months since I cut my own hair. So do I still got it? I don't know. We'll see. Make sure to subscribe before we start this video. Also, make sure to go ahead and drop a like right now. You already know the video is going to be lit, so definitely go ahead and do that. Oh, another thing, I hope you guys like the intro, the new intro, as well as the new look of my YouTube. I know my first video, my YouTube was kind of bland, because I just started out, but I'm getting the hang of things. I'm learning how to do some graphic design stuff as far as editing and making thumbnails and banners and all that. So I hope you guys like the look of that. And also make sure to share the video too before we start. That helps, spread the word, get more people to see the content, check me out. So I truly appreciate that if you guys did. So I'm not going to talk much longer. We're going to actually just get right into the video. All right, y'all. So before we start the video and before I start cutting my hair, I did want to show you guys my setup, just in case you all want to start cutting your own hair and you don't know kind of like what clippers to get or what liners to get. These are some pretty inexpensive ones on the market that are actually really good and that many professional barbers actually use. So I'm going to show you those. And I also did want to show you my camera setup before I start. As you can see, I'm using my iPhone and it's on this little tripod. So, and as you can see, it's plugged in to the charger because this video might take some time, but it's plugged up to this little tripod. So in order to show you guys the cut, I'm going to be putting my phone and the tripod on top of this piece of toilet paper. So hey, you got to do what you got to do sometimes, okay? So yeah. And now to go on to the clippers that we'll be using today. And first here we have some Andy's Oster Fast Feeds. Pretty good clipper. I want to say it's about 60 to 70 bucks on Amazon. I'll definitely put the link to all these clippers down in the description so you guys can check them out for yourselves. But yeah, Oster Fast Feeds. That's how it sounds. This isn't how they come though. I don't know. You guys can see this white cutting blade right there. That's actually a ceramic blade to help take out bald lines. So I did modify this clipper just to let you guys know. All right. Next, what we have here is the Andy's T-Out liner, which is a very common liner used in the industry. However, as you can see, mine is modified. I did chop, or I did skeleton this clipper is what it's called, where I chopped off the top half so I could see the blade a little more. So yeah, here's the sound. Oh, for those of you who are barbers and are watching this video though, please in the comments, help me out a little bit, okay? Because I try to zero gap these, and when I do it, sometimes it's either too sharp or too dull, or like it's not cutting this, it's not hitting as hard. So if you guys have any suggestions on how to make these perfect as far as zero gapping, please let me know in the comments. And then last here, I have the cordless magic clip. It's a little faded on the logo, but this is a wall clipper, and I have it plugged in because I don't remember the last time I charged it, but it is cordless, good clipper. About, I want to say, I don't know, prices did go up on this, so it is maybe 80 to 90 bucks, I think. But that's how it sounds. We got some magnetic guards right there, and as well as some basic wall guards that came with the magic clip. Then we have here my comb, brush, and then a toothbrush for to clean off the clippers. And then lastly, we got my mirror. I know it might be bad luck because it is cracked, but I have another one, but I use that for like when I cut other people's hair. I just use this one for when I cut my own because, you know, it works still. So, yep, that's the setup, guys. We're about to get into the cut now. All right, so in this video, I'll be doing a temp fade. So I just do a little taper on the sides and then a high taper in the back. But before I get to the cut, as you can see, first you need to comb out your hair. You can either comb it or brush it just to prepare the hair and get it all set in place. All right, so then first step, you see I set my bald guideline. This is the first step that you want to do. You want to set a bald guideline. You want to make sure it's clean as possible because this is the framework of your haircut. So I do that on both sides. You want to make sure that both sides, the guideline is in the same spot just about. So you don't want to make one side higher than the other because then your fade will be higher on one side and lower on the other side. So I want to make sure it's even. So here you can see I'm looking in the mirror and placing the guideline. After I set a guideline, you'll see me start to comb my hair. You want to comb and knock out the hair that you cut off. All right, and then after that, I have my clipper open and I go up about a half an inch to an inch to set my second guideline, combing after I do so, as you can see. Then I close the lever halfway and I go between the bald guideline and the second guideline, just blending that hair, fading that hair, I should say. All right, now I have my one guard. Pretty sure I go open right here. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. So I have my one guard, the lever open, and I go up another half an inch. As you can see, I'm holding my face, I'm pulling the skin down. That kind of allows me to create a larger space to work with. All right, now here I close the lever. I'm going in between where I just had the lever open. And I'm just fading the hair. You want it to be a smooth transition when you do a taper or a fade, for example. You don't want it to just look, to not blend. You want it to go from light to dark. So that's what we're doing. All right, so here I have my 1.5 guard. And I go above the previous guideline about another half an inch. As you can see, I done picked up the mirror. I'm checking, making sure I'm debulking the hair, getting those dark spots out. And then here I realized I did not pick my hair out. So when you comb your hair out, you also want to pick the top. If you have longer hair like I do, you want to make sure you pick it, get it all even. Luckily, I wasn't cutting anything off the top in this cut, so I didn't necessarily have to, but it's always a good idea to. Then I got right back to where I left off. All right, so then I close my lever and I go below where I just was. And I'm just doing a little debulking still, making sure that the fade is coming along. Then here I got my 0 guard, the lever closed, and I try to knock out that line, as you can see. However, I do switch to my Oster Fast Feeds and use that 0 guard because I do feel like it does a better job of knocking out harsh skylines like the one that you can see. So I grab that instead. Oh, and also when you do this, you want to make sure you're flicking out at the line. You want just below the line and flick out at the line. You don't want to go above the line because that would create a new guideline. So just make sure you're flicking, using your wrist to flick out. All right, so here now I'm just doing a little detail work.
just cleaning up some areas that I see dark spots. I usually don't look in the camera and usually just look in the mirror, but for the purpose of the video, I wanted you guys to see what I was kind of looking at. So that's why you'll see me periodically look in the camera. Make sure to leave a like on this video. Also leave comments down below. Give me feedback. As you guys know, I'm still learning YouTube. This is only my third video, so if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it down below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to share this video. That helps out tremendously, so please do that as well. Alright, so what you see I did, I kind of went up into the haircut to debulk some of that hair on the top of my head. Alright, so here, first we have the liver closed. Now I'm going at the beard. The same steps as what I did on the sides, basically. Lever close. Oh, I had a lever open too. I'm sorry, I missed that. Alright, so here now I got a 1 guard on with the lever open. Just fading the beard. And yes, I call it a beard even though it's a struggle beard. Alright, now I close 1 guard. And I'm going above the lever open. And here in this video, I only show one side just for purpose of time, keeping the video as short as possible. But you do the same steps on both sides of the head. So I showed only one side on my taper. I did the same steps on the other side, and same with the beard. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you guys ever cut your hair, let me know down in the comment section, as well as rate my cut at the end of the video. Once you see the final product, I want you guys to rate the cut on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being the cut is terrible, and 10 being the cut is this haircut you've seen from somebody, I guess, doing it on their own. So leave a comment down below. Alright, so here now I'm doing my front line. First, as you can see, I'm combing it out. Then I'm trimming away some of the hair that's over my hairline. At this point, like I said, I haven't had a haircut in about 2 months, so I had a lot of hanging hairs. Alright, so first here I started with my vertical bars on the side of my head. Typically though, I normally start in the middle of my head. I don't know why, but for this haircut, I decided to start on the side. Got the other side of the vertical bars. Trying to get it as straight. You want it as straight and crispy as possible. Alright, now here we go. Front line, you want to tap. You want to tap your line up. You don't want to, and you want to make sure you're checking your progress as you do so, because you don't want to just rush it and mess up, and now you got a jacked up hairline. So you want to make sure you're taking your time, tapping at the corner, using the corner of your blade, making sure you get the line as straight as possible. Alright, with the sides, I'm using the edge of the blade, trying to line up my beard into the fade. You want it all to blend together. See how it's coming along. Checking, see. Let me know what you guys think so far. All right, now the back. Got my mirror, and I'm using the mirror against the wall to, look at my reflection. Now this can be a little difficult, as you may see. I'm kind of struggling, especially behind my ears. I normally struggle a little bit, but you want to just use the edge of the blade and just guide. Use your finger as a guide. So I'm doing the same thing here on the other side. Instead, I decided to look at my phone for help. So I use just the mirrors. Again, just tapping at the back of the line. Get it kind of sharp. All right, now here I'm just cleaning up the struggle beard that I got. I like mine to be a little below my neck, so that's why you can see I didn't go all the way up. Or not below my, but I like mine's a little below my chin, I'm sorry. So you see I still keep it kind of low. Yeah, I'm just cleaning up those straggly hairs on my neck. Flipping my blade to cut as close to my skin as possible. And I decided to touch up that side of my beard and the other side to line it up a little more, make it a little more sharp. All right, then last, what you want to do is spray some rubbing alcohol or witch hazel, some type of astringent, and just clean up around where you cut, killing bacteria and different things. That.
All right, so here's the before and here's the after.
Drop a comment and let me know what you guys think. Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 for your boy.
All right, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my self-cut and learned something new. That's one thing I want to do, is help teach you guys new things. Before you guys go, though, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. And also make sure really to leave comments down in the comment section. Also, turn on post notifications because I will be more consistent with posting videos. So you guys don't want to miss them because I have a lot of great things in store. So go ahead and do that for your boy too, as well as follow all my social media down below to be notified as far as when I'll be posting, because I'll put it in my Twitter and Instagram, things like that. So make sure to follow all my social media too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.